Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Vidu AI. So as you can see right here, I have it open on my browser on Google Chrome, which is vidu.com. So you can use any browser that you want, but I prefer to use Google Chrome. So let's get started right here. So let's click on try Vidu right here, and you just sign in, and then continue with Google, and I'll just enter in my account right here. And just click continue, and then you're now logged in. So they have 4 credits for free, so you can use it immediately. So once you're here to their homepage, so we can go to image to video, which is you just place in an image right here. So you just enter in any image of your choice, and then you can for example, based on the image, so for example, if your image is a man standing on a piece of wood, so you can just type in man walking on the wood, and then it will generate the video right here. So right here also reference the video. You should just you can just upload an image for the reference, and then it will also make a video out of the reference image. And then right here to text the video, just enter in a prompt. So for example, a man with his back to the camera, with his clothes fluttering in the wind, and a big green poison explosion in front of him. And then after that, you just type in enter, and then it will automatically process, and then you just click the style here, the animation, and then duration, and then the resolution. You will need to upgrade for that, and the movement amplitude. So you just click on auto, which is recommended, and the aspect ratio would be, you should choose anything you want. So the amount, so with the pro you can generate up to 4, but with the free plan you can generate only 1. So after that you can just click create, and then right here, and yeah, after that basically you can just upload your creations here. So as you can see, this is an example right here, and these are from other people, and right here also. And yeah, that is basically it. That is basically how to use Vidu AI. It is very easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.